In order to solve this question and look for the value of y, I would like to make an illustration here. Now, let me retrace this so that you understand this better. If you have three lines like this, and you have parallel lines between them, that is two parallel lines, and you have one angle here, 1, another angle here, 2, and then a third angle here, 3. Now, if I decide to trace a middle line here at this point here where there's an angle, I trace a middle line here so that there's another parallel line. Then you agree with me that between these two parallel lines where we have two angles, these two angles add up to 180 degrees. In the same way, between these two parallel lines where we also have these two angles, the two angles also add up to 180 degrees. So in that case, if we come back to the question, first of all, I would like us to establish the value of this angle. This is the point Q here. Now, if this angle is 70, then this angle has to be 180 minus 70 is 110 degrees. Because sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So if this is 70, then this is 110. So that the sum gives 180 degrees. Now, based on what I illustrated here, the sum of these two co-interior angles, that is these two co-interior angles, add up to 180. And these two co-interior angles also add up to 180. That tells us that the whole of these three angles here add up to 180 plus 180, which is 360. So based on this rule of double co-interior angles, then you will agree with me that 110 degrees plus 200 degrees plus y degrees is equal to 360, just as I illustrated there, because you agree with me that these three angles now are like the three angles I showed here. So the sum of these three angles together give us 360 degrees. So you can see the reason now why, if you have three angles between parallel lines, if you have three angles between two parallel lines, one angle, then two angle, and then the third angle, you can now see the reason why the three angles add up to give 360, because we have double co-interior angles. So with that now, 110 plus 200 will give us 310. 310 plus y is equal to 360 degrees. From there, angle y will be equal to 360 minus 310. And that will finally give us the value of angle y as equal to 360 minus 310 will give us 50 degrees. So the value of angle y is 50 degrees. And that's the final answer. Hope you have learned something special today. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.